Good evening po sa inyong lahat and thank you for coming. This night is very special for everybody. Naiiyak na agad.
Hi mga kapuso at kapamilya, handa na ba kayong masaktan, magmahal ng paulit-ulit? Naku guys, sigurado akong madaming makakarelate sa movie na to, ang 5 Breakups and a Romance nila Julia Montes at Alden Richards. Of course, brought to us by GMA Pictures, Cornerstone Studio, and Myriad Entertainment. Kahapon nga, ayan, may kita nyo po ang buong cast ng movie at kasama ko rin po ang aking mga co-content creators sa TikToktainment PH. Ayan, naganap po ang kanilang The Journey Gala Night press conference to share their official trailer. Nako guys, alam niyo ba guys na napuno talaga ng iyakan. Grabe guys, umpisa pa lang ng tanungan, naging emotional na ang ating stars na sila Julia at Alden. So ayan, may kita niyo po guys na nag-start po sa red carpet entrance ng mga stars ng movie na to. So panoorin po natin.
Reservation for Carnala Viray.
Hi, good evening. Is there a reservation for Aaron Gonzalez? No, reservation for Edwin Sarano, please.
Hello, reservation for Roxy Smith, please.
Hi, good evening. Reservation for Sashnan.
Good evening. Reservation for Michael Sager.
Naka-reserve ka na sa puso ko.
Hello, good evening. Reservation for Kaki Teodoro, please.
Hi, how are you? We have a reservation for Madeline Tomas.
Reservation for Calitos City.
Hi, reservation under Lockdown de Leon, please. Thank you.
So ayun nga guys, nakita nyo ang red carpet entrance ng mga stars po na kasama sa pelikulang 5 Breakups and a Romance. And syempre hindi mawawala ang chibugan. Kumain muna kami guys at ang sasarap talaga ng food. Ayan. At habang kumakain kami, dumating na po ang lead stars ng ating pelikula na sina Julia Montes at Alden Richards. Grabe guys, ang gwapo ni Alden! At napakaganda talaga ni Julia, walang kupas. Ang tisay talaga niya sa personal guys. Grabe, ayan o, ganda. At ang gwapo.
Please take your photos. Once again, our hashtag is hashtag.
Magandang gabi po to everyone. We're very happy and that you were able to make time for this event, and we're very excited to show you guys our trailer, our world premiere for our trailer, and para may share din po natin sa inyo lahat po ng pinagdaanan namin sa paggawa po ng pelikulang 5 Breakups and a Romance, along with our cast, with our very talented director, and with my very hardworking, talented, passionate, kind, professional, lahat na si Julia Montes done something in our lives na change us and made us stronger. So, dun sa tanong ko
Di ba guys, sabi ko sa inyo, umulan talaga ng emosyon sa press conference kahapon. At ayan, pinanood po namin ang official trailer ng kanilang pelikula. Guys, masasabi ko talaga na must watch ito. Ipapalabas na po ito sa mga sinihan. At please, suportahan po natin ang pelikulang ito, 5 Breakups and a Romance, on October 18th on cinemas nationwide.
sa buong bansa and of course all over the world. Iba pa rin po kapag nanonood ka ng isang pelikula na marami kang kasama tapos sabay-sabay yung nararamdaman yung emosyon. Samahan niyo po kami.
Worth it tayaan ang pelikula. October 18 na po. Hanggang July 9.
In all cinemas nationwide. Directed by and written by. Let's go.
Let's go!
Round of applause for 5
So there guys, dyan na nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today's video. And guys, don't forget to follow for more viral news and showbiz chika. Ito ang inyong DJ Yoko Chang, naghahatid ng showbiz balita. Bye-bye!